Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's another scorcher here in the UK. We're just not equipped for warm temperatures. Our houses are designed to keep the heat in, and one of the best ways to cool down is ice cream. I mean, that's what I tell myself anyway. This is not a flavour I would normally try and make. My wife loves strawberry ice cream, so we thought we'd grab this from the store as it was on offer, and we're going to try and recreate it. So I've actually never had Häagen Dazs strawberry before. So let's open it up and see what it's like. You probably can't see that. The light has made it look white, but it's a very subtle pink colour. Really light strawberry smell. It's hard as a rock. But Häagen Dazs do say that you should take it out of the freezer for 95 days before you serve it, so just keep that in mind. Nice strawberry flavour. Chunk of strawberry there, icy. Strawberries are 95% water, and unless you soak them in, you know, glycerin or alcohol, they'll always be like that. So it's actually surprisingly nice. I'm not really a fruit ice cream fan. I like chocolate ice cream. I think let's give this one a bash, but let's see how close we can get to recreating this, but in vegan form. Why? Because we're clearing the cupboards for one reason or another, and I got lots of vegan ingredients I want to use. So stick around for vegan Häagen Dazs strawberry ice cream. So to start our vegan version of Häagen Dazs strawberries and cream, you're going to take your strawberries and you're going to chop them up, de-stalk, and then put them in your pan. Add to that your sugar. This sugar will help to bring the moisture out, or the water out of the strawberries, but we're also going to add a little bit of lemon juice. The acidity will help to stabilize the solution, and it also stops the strawberries just destroying the structure completely. Then you're going to heat that gently on the hob until it just starts to bubble and you start to get something akin to a jam or conserve texture if you live in England. Once you've got it like that, you can take it off the heat and then put it in a container and let it cool down. So once your strawberry mixture has cooled, you're going to take some of that and put it in a little pot, because what we're going to do is pop it in our little blender here and then just get it completely macerated, really fine. You're going to start with that in your pan. To that we're going to add our vegan condensed milk and then gently heat that up so it's really nicely combined, because that vegan condensed milk is really quite a stiff mixture. As it heats up, we're then going to add in our vegan cream or plant-based cream. This is Elmlea plant-based cream. I love this stuff, it's great. We're going to add 2 tubs of this, they're 250ml tubs, and then we're going to add in some more of our strawberry sauce and pieces. As you can see, there's plenty of strawberry pieces in this base. We don't need to heat this up to anything specific, we're just trying to keep it all nicely warmed and combined. Once it's ready, you can take it off the hob and put it in a container. Store that in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours until completely chilled down. So once your base is completely chilled, you're going to take it out of the fridge, and just to boost that colour, we're going to put in another 70 grams worth of your strawberry mix. And again, this is pretty much all of the strawberry mix here going into the ice cream base. Give it a nice stir and then pop it in your machine. Let it churn to the consistency you want, and then put it in a tub. In the freezer it goes for as long as you can wait before eating it. And here we are. We've got our vegan strawberry ice cream. Hopefully it's the same. I mean, colour-wise, I got a feeling ours might be a little bit pinker. Taste-wise, let's see. I mean, I love that Elmlea plant-based cream. It's really, really good stuff. It is by far the best cream substitute that I've ever tried. There's a few out there, but it is excellent. So let's get some of these scooped up. I'm going to put them on a plate and see what they're like. Here we go. Both scooped about the same, and maybe ours was just a little bit softer. I obviously was in control of the sugar. I know vegan recipes that use kind of off-the-shelf ingredients such as the vegan condensed milk and the cream, etc. They can go a bit harder, so ideally if you're using those you might want to just up the sugar a few percent just to make it a little bit easier on you. Or if you're happy to wait like you would do with the Häagen Dazs, then don't. Leave it, take it out of the freezer, put it in the fridge for 10-15 minutes before you want to serve it or scoop it or eat it from the tub. Totally up to you. Anyway, initial differences: Häagen Dazs is a much lighter colour than ours. There's no artificial colouring, as you could see in ours at all. This is all just natural strawberry. Let's see how they taste when compared. Again, Häagen Dazs is a really nice flavour. It's kind of gentle. It's not super strong strawberry flavour. Texture's really good. You'd expect that from Häagen Dazs anyway. Little icy bits of strawberry in there. Again, like I said before, they're 95% water, so that's to be expected. Let's dive into our vegan version and see how we did. Blimey, that's really good. It's a stronger strawberry flavour. The texture is perfect. There's no ice apart from the little bits of strawberry in there. Again, I don't need to repeat that again. But you've actually got a better ice cream in vegan form than the off-the-shelf luxury brand Häagen Dazs, and you can do this at home just by buying ingredients from your supermarket. This is really good, and I'm not a fruit ice cream fan, so overall this is a 100% win. And if you're vegan, then bloody well good on you, because you're in for a treat if you make this. So while the sun shines, get out there, get the strawberries, get making, and let us know how it turns out. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.